Did you know that 93% of Canadians have unused room in their RSP? If that's you, you're not alone. The word retirement terrifies most Canadians. So we did some creative thinking and developed a new groundbreaking investment tool which gives you 100% of the stock market return over 10 years. First thing, we protect your principal. This means, regardless of what happens in the market, after 10 years, your principal is protected by a Canadian Schedule I bank. Risk gone. Next, we use 2-to-1 leverage. That means you only provide 50% of the money today and the remaining 50% at the end of the term in 10 years, all while earning a return on double what you first invest. Using average historical rates of the TSX 60, this leverage would have enabled you to earn an annual return of 8.2% instead of 6.7% on your upfront investment, a 22% increase. By contributing to the investment in your RSP, an upfront $500 investment could actually be more like $250 with your tax refund, which actually makes the annual return on your investment go from 8.2% to around 20%. It's time to stop worrying about your future and start investing in it. Contact your financial advisor today to discuss how the Wisdom investment products can help you retire on time.